After some confusion, we finally on the bus. Half an hour late.
Because there was a little couple waiting to go on a different tour as well. So when the bus showed up, everybody jumped over and went, me. But we're alright now. We're alright now, aren't we?
Absolute chaos. Absolute chaos. We've been given some vouchers, we don't know what they're for. And now we're just following somebody who doesn't speak a word of English. But we recognise her because she's pregnant, so we just look for the pregnant belly and follow that. Stamped in. Finally moving. We got shifted.
Finally.
We're at the back of the bus now.
We're the only Westerners on the whole tour. Luckily, the tour guide we mentioned earlier on with the pregnant belly, she speaks a little bit of English, so she keeps on coming over and telling us things.
Yeah, it's very helpful, yeah. It's good.
Being around with the snacks, you can get drinks aboard, and they've just come round with a load of pearl necklaces.
Right, we're on the first stop. It looks like we're going on a... It's supposed to be bamboo.
Yeah.
Looks like corrugated steel to me. There you go.
Well, there's plenty of people here. As you can see, there are loads of boats sporting a beautiful life jacket.
Sharon's loving the monkey.
Oh, I love monkeys, man.
We read reviews about this place, and a lot of people said that the water wasn't very good.
But there was a lot of rubbish in it. It didn't look appetizing. It didn't look
Inviting enough to swim in.
inviting to swim in. And we have to agree.
Yeah.
It's so sad. It's nothing like you expect the water to be a bit like Thailand when you go and visit Phi Phi Islands and stuff. It's nothing like that. It's all full of plastic,
bottles and carrier bags.
rubbish.
I mean, not all of it. It's still lovely, but you can see it's took its toll.
It's still stunning to look at. Just don't look at the water and don't go in it.
There we go. Metal bamboo board trip done. Right, we've come to another island now, and I think this is a big climb. See up in the top there. So we're going to give that a bash. Don't know where the Sharon is. Might get so far up, ain't you?
It's one way, we have no choice.
The ascent begins.
Yes, here we are at Han Sung Sok.
Thôi ơi, em ơi.
Ooh, we're going in the cave. There's some hike. Even though it was cool in there, I think I've lost about 4 stone.
You wish.
It's a squeeze.
Yeah.
Just a word of warning, if you're elderly and you can't cope with stairs, don't do this, because you're just seeing an old woman in front of us probably struggling to get to the top of the stairs coming out the cave. She doesn't even know that she's got to go down like this 200 steps back to the boat. She was suffering, wasn't she?
Oh, aye.
So, word to the wise, do it if you're fit. Nearly at the bottom. Oh man. Sweating. Today's lunch. Now, when I was saying about if you're old and a bit frail, not to do the cave walk. That's off to the Asian community, the old birds, proper strong. Look at this old girl behind me. She wasn't even knackered. I spent about 2 pints and she wasn't even knackered.
I see ice cream rolls, I'm getting them.
This is Tip Top Island.
Tip Top, do you remember that from being a kid when you used to have it over your tin fruit?
Yeah.
Tip Top!
Do we need our tickets to get on here? Yeah, we do. Yeah, so this is a beachy island. It's got a temple at the top of this hill behind us, which is a massive hike. And I've got wobbly legs after that curve, so I'm not going to do that. But it's got a beach as well, so I think we're going to have a little bit of a dip and a cool down.
Yes, sounds like fun.
One of the rare occasions where I get my jugs out for the cameras. Oh, it's cold. Oh, I was expecting it to be warm. Ooh. Straight in. Oh, come on. Oh, it's warm. It's lovely and warm.
James Bond.
All dry. That was a bit of fun. Yeah, there's all deers in there and millions of kids, and Sharon didn't dare go in.
I did dare go in, silly old.
Hello. I'm good, you? Up to the Koh Phi Phi Island. Doesn't look like anything from this angle, like. Looks like a big fish.
Yeah, doesn't look like till Cox Fight. That's it.
Yeah, that wraps up our Long Bay expedition.
Yeah.
Really enjoyed it.
It's been a good day, it really has. The weather's been overcast, so it hasn't been too hot.
Yeah. But it was hot on that curve.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. So, got a little thing planned tomorrow. Should be a little bit of fun.
Yeah. Then we're off to our last place in Vietnam.
Hanoi.
Yes. Last few days there.
The madness that is Hanoi, apparently. So, thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Do all of the stuff that's out there.
Don't put it in my face. All the stuff. Don't cover my face.
Right.
I will see you in the next video.
Bye.